So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell funnels to your local businesses. So this is a similar video that I made before, but this is going to be a bit more updated and a bit more advanced. So I'm going to show you how to find the businesses and actually make the funnels before you actually contact them. So you're going to make the funnels first and then show them the funnel, and they're much more likely to buy the funnels if you actually show it to them with their logos, with their slogans, and their images on it, and you show them how they can get more customers through these funnels. So I'm going to show you how to build a funnel using clickfunnels.com. So if you don't already have a 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels, there'll be a link in the description below. The first thing you need to do is just pick a niche to promote in, and usually something like the personal trainers niche or the yoga niche. Those types of niches usually do really well. So they usually have like local businesses where they just find customers within the local area, but they really want to expand, and you can show them how to do that using a funnel. So let me show you what I do. So I'm just going to stick with the yoga niche. So what I'm going to do is just search up yoga and see what comes up. So these are all the different yoga businesses around my local area. And so I just click on one of the businesses. So this one's called Yoga Academy. And I check if they have a website. So they've got a website right here. So let's go into their website. And I look at their logos, I look at their slogans and all that, and I check, are they actually getting people to sign up with their name and email on their website? And are they selling anything on their website? So they've got pricing here. So they've got all their prices, so $49 pack, $99 pack. So what I can do is I can build a funnel that can sell these products here. So they've got the name, the price, and everything here. So what I'm going to do is build a funnel that will sell all these funnels here. Sell all these products here. So what I'm going to do is start building this. So I'm going to go into ClickFunnels and click on Add New, and I'm going to click on Create New Funnel at the bottom here, and I'm going to choose Collect Emails. So I'm going to name this Yoga Academy, and I'm going to click on Build Funnel. So I'm going to also check if they offer anything for free. So sometimes when people come in, they usually offer like a free consultation. It says book a class with our online system, so blah blah blah, teachers, classes. So it looks like they're not offering anything for free, but they do have these blogs. So it says why meditate. So this is a blog about meditating, and they have other blogs as well. So I can give them these blogs away for free. So I can say why meditate, 5 reasons you should meditate, and then after they opt in, I could sell them a product. So what I'm going to do is first choose one of these templates. So I might choose maybe this one here, and that's going to load up that template. Now I'm going to click on edit template. And I'm going to change some of these images here. So to change this image, I just click on the image and click on the image icon. And right here at the top, these are the images that I uploaded. These are my images. But if you want some copyright-free images, just click on search here at the top and just search up meditate or whatever niche that you're in. So I'm just going to search up meditate and see what comes up. So there's some good images. I might take one of this image right here. That's a good image. So I'm going to click on add image, and that's kind of just at the top right now, so it looks kind of weird. So what I might do is get rid of this logo because we don't need this. Also I might get rid of this line here, we don't need that, and I might just move this a bit down to the bottom. So what I'm going to do is just move it down to the bottom by getting that top margin right. So that looks good, and I don't need any of these things at the bottom, so I'm going to get rid of all that, and also don't need these, and also don't need this either. So that looks good. And right here on this headline, I'm just going to type in why meditate. Why meditate? Click on question mark, and I might type in five reasons to meditate or something like that. So this is like a free blog that we're giving away. Since they're giving all these blogs away, blog posts away for free here, you can just give it away on the funnel as well. Then we're going to try sell a product after they opt into this email. So 5 reasons to meditate. And what I might also do is I might actually take their logo right here. So let's see if I can, so I can actually save this image. So I might go save image as, and I might just save it here as 1. And I'm going to click on save, hit replace. And I'm going to actually put that logo right at the top here. So I'm going to click on add new row, click on a new row. It's going to load that in right here, and click on add new element. Click on image, and I'm going to add the logo right here. So I'm going to click on the image icon, click on upload, and go find the image that I just saved. and it's going to load that in. So there it is. I'm going to click on the image and click on add image. So that looks good. And I might also change this color to like a green color like these guys have it here. So I might go back here and go to this background color right here. So this is kind of blue right now. So I'm going to go here and go to the background color. Maybe choose this green color and maybe make it a little bit darker, kind of like these guys. So that's pretty close. I might make it just slightly more darker. That's a bit better. And I might also make all of the letters a bit more white. Or actually, they've got all these orange lines and things coming up, so I might actually leave that orange there, so it actually suits their website. So now it looks quite similar to their website, and I've got a funnel going now. So I've pretty much turned their website into a funnel right now. So I'm going to click on save on this first page. Now after they opt in, they go into the next page where we sell some products. So what I'm going to do is click on exit, and right here, this should be the next step. So what I'm going to do now is do a sales page. So I'm going to click on add new step, and I'm going to call this a sales page, and click on create funnel step. So I'm going to move this sales page right to the top here, and right here at the top, these are all the options that you have. So I'm going to click on sales and click on sales page. So now I'm going to go back down here, and it says new students pricing, and I'm going to take these products and try selling one of these right here. So I need two columns right now. So what I'm going to do is pick one of these templates. So let's pick a good template here. So blank template. I might actually pick this one here, and click on edit page. And so what I'm going to do now is just right here, you can add some, words like how to meditate, how to do yoga, and just change all the lettering. It's really easy to do. You can just type it in, just click and type it in. So what I'm going to do is right at the bottom right here, I'm going to add those two options of those pricings that they have here. So I'm going to click on right here. When I hover over it, it says add new row. So I'm going to add a new row, and I'm going to choose two columns. So there needs to be two columns like this. So I'm going to choose two columns, and that's going to load in two new columns, and I'm going to move this down. So to move it down, I just click on this little arrow right here, and I click on it again. So I just move it to the position that I want it to be at. So it's right here. So now I'm going to click on add new element, and for this headline, I might just call it intro pack like these guys did. I might click on headline, and I'm also going to change the font color so we can see it better. So I might just choose text color to white. So I'm going to choose intro pack, and I'm also going to do the same thing here. Add new element. Add new element. Click on headline. So this is kind of annoying. You have to keep changing the text color, but it's all right. Now for this one, it's general intro pack. General intro pack, and at the bottom you can also put this in, but I just want to put the pricing in now. So what I'm going to do for this one, I'm going to add another element in, and for this one I'm going to put another headline in there, and also make this font a bit bigger as well. So I'm going to change the text color again, and also make this font size quite big. So it's just one word. So what I'm going to do for this one's $49. So $49. And what you could also do is, if you wanted to just copy this, just go copy, and then you can just move this over here. So instead of just keep adding new ones, you can just move it over. So for this one, it's $99. 99. And right at the bottom of both of these, I'm going to add a button that will say buy now. So I'm going to go right here. Where's the button? Right here. And for this one, I'm just going to set this at buy now, and same thing there. So I'm just going to copy this again and just move it over here, and there it is. So I might change the background color on these on this pack right here. on these two columns, so it kind of stands out. So I'm going to click on settings, and for background color, I'm going to give it maybe a might actually give it that green color that we had before. That looks a bit better. It's not that great, but I might go to advanced, see if there's have any good themes, or there's a good border as well, so I can give it a border. They just don't let you do like a middle border, but that's all right. I might just leave it as it is. So there it is. So we just pretty much created a funnel. I would change all the text right here to the yoga one. Now I'm just going to click on save, and I'm going to click on exit, and I'm going to go preview this funnel. So I'm going to go back to the opt-in here, and I'm going to click on preview right here. So this is the preview button, and so I'm going to go in here. So it just loads it all up. We've got our image, we've got the logo. So it's a nice looking landing page with just a simple opt-in page. So I put in my name and my email, and I click here to sign up. And then we go to the next page, and then they can buy one of these products right here. So on top of that, the reason that you have to tell them that this will work better than a website is because we just collected their email. So you can stay in contact with them forever. So if they chose not to buy, they can still decide to buy the product a week from now, or 2 weeks from now, or a year from now. And you can, let's say they still decide not to buy, you can give them a discount because the advertising is zero, because you own that email list. Anyone who comes into that email list, you can email them anytime, so you can afford to kind of reduce the price if you wanted to. So you have to kind of explain all of this to this business and tell them why this funnel would work. So you can either sell this funnel for like a monthly subscription for like $50 per month, $100 per month, or just sell the entire funnel for like $500 one-time payment, and they can keep the funnel. So that's how I do it with like local businesses. You can also do this in other businesses. Let's say I live in New Zealand, so you can, let's say I want to sell something in Australia, so I could just go to like Sydney, Australia, or something like that, and I could search up yoga businesses around here. So I can just search up yoga and see if there's any yoga businesses around here, and I do the same exact thing. So I just click on Yoga Village, I look at their website, and I do the same thing. So let's say you just create 5 funnels per day and just send out 5 emails per day. Just see if you get any response back after you send out five different emails within like 48 hours. Within 48 hours, if you don't have even just one reply back, then you just got to change up the funnel, change the email script that you have, and see what they tell you. So that's about it. So go try this out, see how it works out for you. If you want to learn ClickFunnels in more detail, then make sure you check out the first link in the description below, because it will teach you everything you need to know in detail. So I'll see you in the next video.